Hello guys, welcome to another video of my channel, and today we're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you some tips and tricks that will make you, and I hope they will help you in this game while training flight simulator, like taking off, landing. I will tell you some tricks, flying itself, approaching, many stuff. So let's get straight into it. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to taxi. Many people would do this, turn the engines on and just go, and you can see where you're going. My first tip is to go like this. Well, if you are like trying to make it really a realistic flight, you can do this, like put an angle of the camera camera camera, and you can just go like this. As you can see, I'm following a line almost perfectly. So yeah, that's my first trick. Then now I'm gonna show you some tips for takeoff. So let's do it. Okay, second tip. Well, now when you taxi to the runway, what do? You obviously have to take off, but I have a trick also. You can just go like this and put your camera at this angle. So for example, I can just move my plane really easily, and as you can see, and also as you can see, I go 25% when it goes to the maximum speed, and 50% when it reaches 50 knots. I put it on full speed, and then it's easier. You just go casually, a little slow, and this time faster. Then you take off, just in case you crash. Then you can leave your gear until 500 feet. So now everything is okay. I can do this, and also now I can turn. So okay, next trick. Okay, fourth trick. You can, when you're flying like this, for example, cruising, it's difficult to keep up to put like an angle so it doesn't, the altitude, as you can see, it's always going up down. You can click letter R. It puts holding altitude. Just then it's gonna go always the same altitude. You can just move your wherever you want your destination and kind of go like this. You can just leave your computer or tablet. It's gonna go, but don't forget to pick it back up. Okay, and on to the last tip. Okay, last tip. When you're landing, I recommend going to like 70% for speed, so you go start like go losing speed. You can also put your flaps, just that I can because my keyboard letter H doesn't work. Recommend you doing like an approach around the nearest mountains. Oh my god, I don't wanna crash. That would be embarrassing. Okay, for example, this is signed Bartholomew, however you say that. I'm going around the mountain, losing more and more speed. Then I'm lowering my speed to 45. Then next tip, the trick is When you land, you have to make a good approach, of course. Then gear down when you line up with your runway that you're landing on. Also put like takeoff. Go under with the camera. Oh no, I'm stalling. Okay, that was a pretty hard landing. Then you just go down with the speed. You can put the reverse. You may or may not put the reverse thrust. I mean that's like clicking letter P. So you push back and go backwards. Because in this game there's no pushback tracks that actually work. So just in case you can do that. And then then you successfully land. You can just do this. Ignore the guy that's literally trying to tell you what to do. I am doing what I'm doing. I say that as I'm probably crashing the plane. No, I don't know if this guy knows, but I don't care about the signs. I just kind of go wherever I want. I'm going here. And okay, that's it. That's 5 tips and tricks that I hope will help you fly planes in this game, Pilot Training Flight Simulator. So, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. See you next time.